Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya aka Glam by Pragya. So in today's video I am gonna be trying out some newly launched skincare products and few haircare products, only one haircare product that I've recently got, and I am gonna be trying out with you guys and give you my thought and opinion, what I feel, will I continue this products in future or not. So yes, today is gonna be a trial and test of newly launched skincare and haircare products. So yes, without any further ado, if you are excited to watch, let's just get rolling. So firstly, I would like to start off with this one. This is the Mcaffine Naked Raw Coffee Scalp Scrub. It is a scalp exfoliation, and I actually wanted to get this one because I have a oily and sticky dandruff, so I really wanted to get this one. It also said that it contains AHA, which is like also a very good way to exfoliate. We use AHA for our skin, so I was like, okay fine, get it and try it out. So it is just one thing. It is said that keep it away from direct sunlight, and that's it. So always try to keep it in a dark, cool place. These are the few ingredients that I wanted to highlight. So it contains salicylic acid, that is BHA. It also contains caffeine. It contains good ingredients. It smells of rosemary, to be very honest. It smells of coffee and rosemary mixed together. It has rosemary essential oil to make your hair soft and nourished. So that is what, and it is priced at 599 rupees. I got it on discount, and also I got two minis. Are the two minis that I received. I think one is a face wash. This is the face wash that I've received, and this is the Mcaffine Raw Coffee Face Mask. So this is the two mini that I have received, which are very cute. I can't wait to try them out in future. Today I'm not gonna try them out because I have other face masks which are newly launched. I want to try them out, and let's start with our trial. I just finished washing my hair. It feels clean. My scalp does feel clean. Regarding the hair fall, I did face a little bit of hair fall, like the way I face with other shampoo. If you have those sticky dandruff that does not actually want to get off your scalp, those kind of dandruff, if you have, then this product would be extremely working well with you. Otherwise, it's a great exfoliator for your scalp, but be gentle. I won't say to be aggressive on your scalp because it can actually harm your roots. So yes, that's it. I don't have much else to say about it. I will use it, but whether I'm gonna purchase it or not, it depends on the usage, because now my hair isn't dried up, so I cannot tell much. So yes, that's it about this product. So now moving ahead, I'm going to be trying out the new face mask from Dermaco. I have recently got it. It is the 2% salicylic acid face mask that is gonna work on your acne and help to remove acne or control your acne and oils. So it is written, it is for acne blemish prone skin, contains salicylic acid, kaolin clay, activated charcoal, and it is said to use twice a week. And it is clinically active formulation, dermatologically tested, paraben and SLS free. So I am interested to use this product. So I have been breaking out a lot, to be honest. Recently, I am breaking out pretty bad. I don't know for what. I am under a lot of stress, anxiety, and all of it. So yeah, so now we are all covered up and looks good. We are gonna be waiting approximately 10 minutes, and then we are gonna be washing this shit off from my face, and we are gonna be revealing to a skin that we will love, fall in love with. That never happened using tons and tons of skincare, but let's see what it does, and then I'll say what I have to say. So my skin feels really fresh. My acne are still there, but it doesn't look as red or like before. It kind of has settled down a little bit. Like the way it was big, it is not looking that big, and it has a very nice fresh feeling, as if my skin is feeling very cleansed. I actually expected it to remove my acne or zits like this, but it just makes my skin feel refreshed in a weekend. If you want to just have that detoxifying effect and you want to cleanse all your pores, you want to cleanse those gunks and oils, this mask would be great. And it is pretty affordable. It's $4.99 and I got it on a pretty discount because I had few cashbacks in Dermaco, so I got it around 300 something. So yes, it's a good mask. I wouldn't say like it's something way too much, but I think it's a pretty decent mask, and it has salicylic acid, so if you are somebody with oily acne prone skin, it's kind of safe to use this one because it's not gonna give you any further acne, as I don't have any further acne or any irritation. A decent mask, that's all, nothing more to say about this. It has been ages and ages that I have used a sheet mask, and I don't like to spend money on sheet mask. I think it's a waste of money, but you know, it feels bougie, but like you're a YouTuber or Instagram influencer, so it's like, okay, we can afford a sheet mask and apply because we are an influencer, right? But it's not. So this is the Detan face sheet mask. Removes tan, instantly hydrates and brightens, reduces uneven skin tone, and for all skin types. Laptop here, so I can be watching Netflix. It was not this red, but due to the sheet mask it just got agitated and became red. So that's what happens when you try new skincare products, and I really wanted to give you this live thing, that what I go through when I try new skincare product, because always not a very thing that yes it's gonna work, but sometimes it just doesn't work. So next product that I am actually going to be trying out is from the Via Naturals. It is their B3 vitamin B3 serum, that is 10% niacinamide serum with hyaluronic acid, aloe vera and rosemary. It contains essential oil, that is rosemary, and it has no fragrance. The sniff before, this is how it comes. It doesn't have any fragrance to it, it just has the fragrance of rosemary. There are a lot of good penetrating and smoothing ingredients, so I feel this niacinamide serum is gonna be a very good one. It is priced at $6.95, which is a pretty good price, and you get good discount on Via Naturals. I think I've seen many times popping on my Instagram, so you get a good discount on this product. So it comes around on 500ish, but the actual price is $6.95. So let's just try it out. So I'm just gonna be squirting a few pump here. It's very runny and it is water like, honestly, and I like to pat it on my face. I don't like to go and massage it. I like to pat it and then swirl. yes. So that's how my skin looks. It looks good, like it is very glowy and very smooth, except this area is bothering me a lot. Like this acne is literally. So the next product is this one from Zilch. It is their Insta Bounce moisturizer, and it is priced at 1200 and it contains 30 ml of product. Now, to be very honest, I have used this one before. Like I have been using this one for a week, and now, like, very honest, like these products were new, that's why I was like trying out. But this one I have been trying it out. So it is mainly a moisturizer that will give you an instant bounce skin recharging serum all in one. In fact, it is so quick you will forget that there is even moisturizer on your face. For summers, like this is like the best moisturizer ever. Like I have been addicted to this moisturizer like anything. I always keep this one in freezer because I feel it just recharges like 100%, like because it is freeze, like it is cold and it is very light. It just moisturizes it just kicks my skin, and like my skin feel instantly refreshed and bouncy, and it looks amazing. My skin feels good, like that's all I can. So this is the amount I need. It is a very liquidy light formula. It is like not those thick moisturizer. It just vanishes like that. It is gone. It's just gone. Like it looks white and creamy, but once you apply, it just transforms and melts to your skin just like water. Like you have splashed water on your face. That's all I can say. PC oily looking thing. It is like my best like favorite moisturizer right now. I know it cost you a little bit on too much, like it is like 1200 for a moisturizer, but I would say it is worth every single penny. So let me just quickly get ready and I'll be back to do the outro, and I'm gonna be saying which products are my favorite and which I really didn't like. So the moment of truth about the products that I tried and tested out with you guys. So the first, I would like to mention the products I really loved and I would really continue in the coming skincare process. Is number one is this one, this tiny little guy. It is the Klairs Supple Penetration Toner. It is not the fragrance free version, it is the one with fragrance. The product that I really loved among this whole line is this one. This is the Zilch Insta Bounce Hydrating Moisturizer. This is, oh my god, my favorite moisturizer of all time. Like this is the best for summers. Like it is so hard to find a good moisturizer in summers for somebody with oily skin, but this is worth the price. The next skincare product that I loved, but I need to put it on test that whether it helps in removing your texture or not, is this one. This is the Via Naturals Vitamin B3 Serum. Again, a beautiful serum. It, you know, it just kind of penetrated in my skin. It worked beautifully. It didn't give me any kind of irritation, and it also has no fragrance to it. It is an amazing niacinamide serum, and it is a very affordable one. It is with all natural ingredients, no chemical to it, so it is a very good one. I would like you guys to try this one out. It is amazing. So this is kind of my first impression. I'm like supremely impressed with this product. Especially these three are gonna be my current favorites and my babies. I really love these three skincare products, and with that hair care product also I really liked it. So yes, that's it for today video, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.